Hello friends, myself Arnab Kundu. You are watching my channel Technical Artware. In this video, I will show you how to create an Excel file with data using Python code. To do that, we need two different modules. One is Pandas and there is OpenPyXL. So go to the computer screen using Python ideally. I will show you step by step how to create Excel file with data, means with lots of rows using Python code. Okay, so let's dive in. So friends, I'm just within the Python ideally, and here I'm just write the code to create an Excel file with data using Python code. And here I'm using two different modules. One is Pandas, other is OpenPyXL. Okay, I will create the Excel file in my particular destination, the E drive ML folder, and here I will create the Excel file. Just put the name is student.xlsx. okay, so at first we are importing the Pandas module. So just write here import Pandas as PD, means we are just create the alias here, and then now just write file underscore path. So we just put the path where we want to create our Excel file. So just write within double quote, just E drive, put colon, double backslash, then just write ml, double backslash, and just write the file name, suppose student.xlsx. okay, means this is the destination folder, E drive ml folder. We are just create here student.xlsx file for Excel is concerned. Okay, now we are just create the data with the dictionary format. Okay, now in that case we just write in that way, suppose data equal, and then just write within curly braces and just write here the dictionary format, the data, and we just put the data from there, means the data should be looks like that: roll number, name, age, class, section, city, like that. Okay, so we just took this one from there. So in that way we are just write here at first the roll number, and then just put colon, and the values are what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just checked within this Excel file we just already create the format, the roll number, and the roll numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now put the name is the another key for dictionary is concerned, and we just put the different name whatever we are choose here. Just copy here and just paste Amit Shah, just write within single quote. Then next one, the Iqbal Hussain, just copy and paste here. The third one, Deepa Roy, just copy and paste here. Fourth one, the Rooney Shaw, copy and paste here. And the last one, the fifth candidate, means fifth student name is Deep Dash, and copy and paste here. Okay, so this is the name, this particular key is completed. Now the third column name is age. So just write here in single quote age, put a colon, and what are the values? Just checked here 12, 14, 15, 12, 14, 15, and it will come the 18 and 16, 18 and 16. Okay, so age is completed, means all the values. Now the class, same way, just write class and just put colon, and then within a square bracket, at first the class is for Amit Shah is 7 in Roman letter, then next one 10, next one 11, next one 12, and next one 8. 12, and the last one is 8. Okay, so our class is completed. This particular column, and now the section is another key is there, means another column name. So just write as a key is a section. And what is the section? GADBC. GADB and C. We are actually creating that way. That's why we just choose this order. And the last one is a city. The values are, at first the values is Kolkata, second one is Asansol, third one is Kolkata, and just checked for fourth one is again Asansol, and last one is Durgapur. Close this single quote, then close this square bracket, and then close our this data, this section. So this means we have created the data in form of dictionary format. So we just choose this data, means we want this data should be created as a data, a new file of Excel is known as student.xlsx. Okay, to create a Excel file with this data, have this column name, and these are the different values for each and every row is concerned. Okay, now we create the data frame with this particular data is concerned. Okay, so just write here df equal, and then just write pd dot data frame. So we have created the data frame object with this data. So just send as an argument data. Okay, now we save this data frame to an Excel file. Okay, so that's why we called in that way. File path is concerned, we should give the path is underscore, not hyphen. Okay, so should given file underscore path. This particular variable name should be used into there. Okay, now what happened, we are just save the data within an Excel file. Okay, now we just call in that way df dot, means the data frame object dot to underscore Excel. This is the method. Okay, now what we send at first we send the file path. So just write file underscore path, this variable. Then we send sheet name. Now we put the sheet name, just write in a single quote student. So the file name is student.xls and the sheet name is student. Okay, then put comma, then write index equal false. We write index equal to false because we don't write the row index within the Excel file. Okay, that's why just write index equal to false, and then just write engine equal, and within double quote just write here OpenPyXL, double quote close, parenthesis close, and then we just write print Excel file created successfully. It should be print in the cell when we run the code. Now we have already write the code and save the file within the file name is pa4.py. Okay, now if we run the code, just press F5. Just see in the console, it will take some time, and just write Excel file created successfully. Okay, so just go to that folder where we want to create our Excel file. Yes, this is a file is already created here, student. Just double click into there and just checked whatever we provide as a data in a dictionary format, just create in the same way. 1 Amit Shah, 12, class 7, section G, Kolkata. In that way, roll number 2 Iqbal Hussain, age 14, class 10, section A, city Asansol. Right, I hope you have understood how to create a Excel file with data using Python code, and in that case we need these two modules. One is Pandas, other is OpenPyXL. If you like this video, please like it, share it more and more. Those who are still not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Keep watching Technical Arcane for more videos. If you have some doubts for today's video is concerned, just write in the comment section. I will try to solve this problem. So today up to this. Thank you and bye bye.